Let me ask you a question. Are you tired of that business and lifestyle coach from up the street? They give you more fairy tales than they give you facts.
Well, bring your big ass down
here to my channel, girl, because this information is so good, girl.
Make you want to slap your mama. Hey, mama.
What the hell you want with?
Hey, mama.
What? Boo-boo, you don't want this smoke.
Hello my loves, Sundown here coming at you with another video, and this channel is switching up. This is now a channel for who want to completely walk into their own sovereignty. And what does sovereignty mean? To be sovereign is to govern oneself. And how do you govern oneself? You're in control of how you make money, when you make money, where you go, and what time you get there and what time you leave. If you are interested in becoming the best version of your sovereign self, then this is the channel for you. So before we get started, why don't you go ahead and click that subscribe button, and once you click that button, do not forget to go ahead and click that bell so you will be notified every time I post another video, okay? In this video, I am going to give you my top 8 side hustles for hairstylists. I'm also going to teach you how to grow your clientele in 2020. So if you are interested in learning how to make multiple streams of income and how to make your money work for you and your business work for you, whether you're in the hair industry or any industry, then keep on watching. I will have a video for side hustles just for people in general, but this video is specifically for hairstylists, cosmetologists, you know, people in the beauty industry, okay? First, a side hustle that I want to tell you about leads me to our sponsor, which is Shear Share. Shear Share is this amazing app, you guys. If I would have known about Shear Share like 4 or 5 years ago, I think things would have went in a different direction for me and I would have saved a whole lot of money. Say you're a cosmetologist, but you don't have the type of clientele right now to the point where you can rent out like a private studio, and you don't necessarily want to do hair at home. With Shear Share, you can simply go onto the app, create a profile, and once you create a profile, you can rent out a station for the day, a studio for the day, a larger studio for the day, like a really nice one, yes. And this goes for hairstylists, esthetician, makeup artists, barbers, anything, okay? You could go on Shear Share, find you a place, and boom, you can work for the day. Now, this is a really great way for you to make extra money without taking that much off the bottom. Like I told you in previous videos, my booth rent used to be $400 a week leaving out of the hair industry. Granted, I got to a place in my business where that was something I could afford, but some of the lowest booth rent is about like I'm gonna say $195 was the lowest. And a lot of times, let's just be real, let's keep it 100 and stop faking it until we make it. Most of the time we are just breaking even at the beginning. Think about it, you'll book all of those clients and only make like $300, but your booth rate is $200, and you can work at your own pace when you actually have clients. Second person in the hair industry that can benefit from Shear Share, let's say you have your own private studio, you signed a contract, you can't get out of it, you want to take a vacation and you can't work, or something happens to your body, you don't feel good or whatever, you can become a host on Shear Share, and you can make money off of renting out your studio for the day. So if you think about it, you create a profile on Shear Share and you could possibly have somebody paying you $60 every day to rent out your booth, or however much it costs a week, and then there you go, boom, booth rent paid, okay? And if you are interested in Shear Share, make sure you check the links left in the description box below. I'm leaving you 2 promo codes. The first one is going to be for a hairstylist if you want to rent a studio, yes. Second one will be for the business owner that wants to be a host on Shear Share to make extra money. It's almost like Airbnb for your studio. Yes, this is what we're gonna do. With each one, I'm gonna make it a version of a side hustle and then a version of something to help you grow your clientele fast without you spending a whole bunch of money. Yes. Number two is something that I taught you guys in my video about the 6-figure funnel. If you have not seen that video, make sure you go check it out, and also download the ebook that comes with. Yes. In the video, the 6-figure funnel, I did tell you guys that to start off your 6-figure funnel, you need to offer no to very low risk content to your potential client. No to low risk content literally means that whenever they come on your site, for them to look at your content, they don't really lose anything but time and maybe an email address. But with your Instagram, that is no risk content. They literally just go on your Instagram, look through the content that you present, and then that's the first part of the funnel where the no risk content turns into low risk content. You get them from your Instagram or maybe your YouTube or anything like that, and then you'll say something like this: make sure you head over and subscribe to my website for daily notifications. So that is a way to begin to build your funnel. By transitioning your no risk content, you now have a personal relationship with your viewer and control over your platform, your blog, and with your social media. In the midst of that no to low risk content, you can punch in some affiliate marketing. A lot of people hear about affiliate marketing but then shrug it off. But to be really honest, and remember, we keeping it real, we keeping it 100, most of y'all have no idea how much money you can make with affiliate marketing. You use so many different products on a regular basis. You're buying so many different products on a regular basis, and with social media, most likely a large percentage, if not, you know, a small little percentage of the people that are following you or subscribe to you are not in your city or state and cannot get to you, but they would love to use something that you would use in their hair or something that you would recommend to them. By being an associate for Amazon, for example, I use Amazon Associates, but there are so many other platforms that I will list. And once you become an affiliate of these different platforms like Magic Links or Amazon Associates, the list goes on, you make money in your sleep, because in step 2, you have already created a platform where you offer no to low risk content. So on that platform, you can post different things like, okay, this is my favorite conditioner, and then with that, in your story, simply post the products that you love the most, and then input a swipe up feature and add the link. And as people swipe up, if they like it, they can say, oh, okay, like I'll use that and I'll use her link. Boom, there you go. So that is a really easy way to start making money in your sleep, and those are your different blog posts. Remember to use search engine optimizer to your advantage and Google Trends. The point of doing this, you want to become a plug and fix a problem. So if you're making videos or if you're making posts about things that people aren't interested in, then you're taking shots in the dark. But if you go on Google Trends and search what people are really into and what they're looking for, then you are most likely to not be taking shots in the dark, and you're most likely to hit your target. Okay, coaching. Now, a lot of people will be like, coaching, I can't be a business coach, or I can't be a lifestyle coach. Well, the truth of the matter is, most of us really just don't believe in ourselves. Whatever place you're in right now, there is someone who is working to be in the place that you are in at this present time. So if you've already done the legwork, like I taught you guys in the 6-figure funnel, then you have now granted some type of authority in the space. Even if you only have 200 subscribers, all you need is a couple of people really invested in your brand, and you'll be great. Because the truth of the matter is, all of these little tricks that everyone's doing for vanity metrics means absolutely nothing, and I had to learn that the hard way. Coaching simply means you offer your expertise in an area. Make sure that whenever you are setting your price point and things of that nature, you're being realistic. Girl, if you only got 1,000 subscribers, don't be starting no coaching business trying to charge nobody $1,000 to talk to you on the phone. Don't do that. Make sure you subscribe to my website and join my elite group, because on my elite group you can come in there and you can ask me anything you want and I'll give it to you real straight, no chaser. I'm like your super cool business savvy friend. Like, I'm not gonna sugarcoat it with you because we don't have time for that. My next hustle that I love, okay, this one is everything, is from Fiverr.com. Now, I absolutely love Fiverr. Now, there's like a little debate, like what's better between Fiverr and Upwork, but we talk about Fiverr in this one because it's my favorite one. Fiverr is a platform that you can go on and sell your services. Not only can you sell your services on Fiverr, you can also hire someone on Fiverr. When I say anything you could possibly think of is there. If you need somebody to make an intro for you, editor for your ebooks, an editor for your videos on YouTube, social media managers, marketers, hairstylists. If you have a need, you can find someone on Fiverr to fix it for you. And it's great because any talent that you have, any business that you have, any business venture that you have, you can list those services on Fiverr and you can get paid. People will hire you for those services. Everything that I'm talking about in this video can be found in the description box below, so go check out Fiverr. And if you don't like Fiverr, make sure you go ahead and check out Upwork. I am not an affiliate for Upwork, but I am an affiliate for Fiverr because I love it so much, you guys. Like, you guys have no idea how much work, well, some of you may know, but a lot of work goes into running your own business, and you want to like clone yourself into 50 million versions, but you can't. And Fiverr, I have found some of the most amazing people to work with, so y'all need to get on Fiverr and get some shmoney. Okay, ebooks. I want everyone to be realistic. The reason why this list was mainly for hairstylists is because most of the time, if you are a hairstylist that's looking to branch out, you already have some type of name in the industry. People, at least in your area, know something about you. Please do not start selling ebooks and trying to teach people nothing if you don't have something tangible in your hand to prove that you know what you're talking about. Don't sell a book about how to grow your clientele when your book's still not full. If you posting stuff like openings this weekend, don't sell an ebook on how to fill your books because your books ain't full yet, girl. It is very, very important that you don't look like you're selling wolf tickets, because your first impression is everything. So if their very, very first impression of you is that you can't put your money where your mouth is, nobody's gonna want to do business with you. Make sure that even though I want you to be delusional about your sovereignty and stuff like that and believing in yourself when nobody else can, but when money is involved, you need to be able to prove results, because you're doing an exchange. You want them to give you money for an expertise. So if you do not have tangible proof that it's an expertise that you're selling, you kind of look like a fraud. So don't sell wolf tickets, okay? 2 more. Text marketing. Text marketing is absolutely everything. Whenever I first heard of text marketing, I was like, what? Like, why would you do that? Why would you give people your personal number? There are multiple different apps that you can go on, and it links to your phone, so it comes through just like a text message. Like whenever I text you guys back, I have my phone just like that and I'm texting like regular, but there is a barrier you want to put in between like people having your personal number and, you know, the internet, because people be crazy. In the description box below, of course, I'm going to leave a list of my favorite text marketing apps. And text marketing is amazing. Why? Email marketing, absolutely phenomenal. Like, my email list has just reached 10,000 subscribers and I love y'all so much. With email marketing, the opening rate is about, I don't know, like a really, really good opening rate is about 30%, but the norm is probably like 10%. With text marketing, the opening rate is 98%. Because people always have their phone. Like, my phone's right here. If somebody texts me right now, I'm right here and I'm gonna look at it. So text marketing is like boom, out of the water, okay? And it's instant access is absolutely amazing, and you guys need to start opening your mind to people that are business savvy. You don't need to just be focused on looking at other people that are in the hair industry and trying to model after them. You're running a business, so you need to look at people that know how to run a business, not people that know how to look cute on Instagram. And lastly, this is for the creatives, okay? So this can kind of tie into Fiverr. So technically it's 7 or 8, I don't know, I think it could be 8. Canva. What would you do with Canva? Or let's say you're doing classes, or somebody's doing classes and they want branded certificates to print out. People pay really good money for PDF templates and different files that are already produced. People will pay big money for your Canva. You don't necessarily have to have a paid account on Canva, but Canva is excellent for creating different PDF files or different digital products that you can create and sell. They have all different types. You can sell resumes, you can sell birthday invitations, you can sell certificates. I'm talking sky is the limit. Sell these things on your website, on your blog. You can sell them on Fiverr, you can sell them on Upwork, you can sell them on Spotify. There are so many different websites that you can sell these files on, and I personally recommend you putting the files on every single platform. There is a woman where she started selling like birthday invitations and certificates, and she makes like $10,000 a month because she sat down and she created all of these templates. It took her a couple of days, but once she uploaded, that's it. You never have to go back to it again. They go on there, they purchase, and then the system automatically sends them the PDF file. It's easy. All of these things that I am recommending to you, I have done personally myself, and this is why I was able to just go ahead and walk away from the hair industry at the capacity that I was at, because I have created a funnel and multiple sources of income that work for me while I sleep. Now, in closing, this leads me to like my favorite part of this whole talk. I want to touch back on our sponsor. Sponsor for this video, like I said, it was Shear Share. Now, Shear Share is going to be sponsoring quite a few videos that are coming up, because like I said, I wanted to hone in on my own sovereignty. Make sure you check out my new ebook called The Sovereign Code to, you know, get a little bit more information on what I mean. Yes, like I told you in my previous videos, I love doing hair so much, but I didn't want to be in the hair industry at that capacity. Now with this little thingamajigger I have going on with Shear Share, I am going to show you guys exactly how to use the app. So make sure you are subscribed here to my channel with your post notifications on, because I will officially be shooting at a Shear Share location. I'm not going to tell you yet because you have to be watching, so make sure your post notifications is on. I already have 8 clients booked and ready to go. Yes, so we will be filming on the 6th and the 8th of January. I'm so excited. So I love you guys so much. Let me know in the comments if any of these hustles will work for you, and if you want me to do more videos like this, then make sure you leave it in the comments below. Make sure you head over to my website so you can check out my podcast, because as I've been recording here for you, I've been recording for y'all too. Yes, girl, boy, y'all, yes. Okay, so I love you guys so much. Okay, get your sovereignty code together, and until my next video, bye. Quick, you can hear my kids in the background because this is my whole life, you know what I'm saying? And I just want to let y'all know that it's not my fault that that thing was on the mirror or whatever, because my kids was touching it and I thought it was clean, but then it wasn't. My bad. Bye, girl.